Did you say you have one lens only? You're in the right place. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we're gonna challenge together the Leica Q2 because this camera is well known to not manage properly the highlights, and so I drove down to Kerrisdale and I'm taking advantage of this bright white light because it's a rainy day to see how far we can push our camera. We're gonna have a street photography session together, so if you're ready, let's go rolling. So how was it? I think it was very interesting to walk down to this neighborhood because it's not the suburb, but it's not downtown either, so there are far less people passing by at any given hour, so you have more time to find out the interesting subjects that you're looking for and also to set up the framing. Nonetheless, I'm not concerned about the weather because the camera is weather sealed, the DJI Action 2 is weather sealed, the only one who is not is my good self, so I'm soaked right now. Time to go and check out and edit the pictures that we've taken together. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the new videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.